Ever felt like you're banging your head against a brick wall trying to update a locked deal in Zoho CRM? Don't worry. I'm here to show you the simple steps to unlock those deals, get your data updated, and keep your sales process flowing smoothly. And trust me, it is easier than you think. First, make sure you have the necessary permissions. You'll typically need administrative privileges or a role with specific deal unlocking permissions to perform this action. If you have the correct permissions, navigate to the Setup menu by clicking the user profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Setup. This will take you to the Zoho CRM settings area. In the Setup menu, look for the Automation section. Within Automation, find and click on Deal Locking. This is where you'll manage the rules and settings for locked deals. You'll see a list of deal locking rules. Identify the rule that's causing the deal to be locked. It might be based on deal stage, amount, or other criteria. Take note of this. Now, depending on your needs, you have a couple of options. You can either temporarily disable the rule by toggling it off, allowing you to unlock all deals affected by that rule, or some systems allow you to select an unlock option directly within the rule for specific deals. Choose the method that best suits your situation. Once the locking rule is disabled or the specific deal is unlocked, go back to the deal record, refresh the page, and you should now be able to edit the deal details, make the necessary updates, and save the record. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked a deal in Zoho CRM. Remember to renable the deal locking rule if you only needed to unlock a specific deal temporarily to maintain your data integrity.